I'm going to be doing an unboxing, which is mostly just unplasticking, of this Rocco and Roxie Supply Co. Stain and Odor Eliminator. Now, I have a cat and a dog that brings in the smells from outside, and sometimes if she hasn't been groomed in a few weeks, the smells just start to add to our carpet, to our blankets, to our rugs, etc. So that's why I personally bought this. And then all we have to do, first of all, let me test the spray nozzle. Okay, that's really good. Sometimes these spray nozzles get stuck and it just feels really cheap. This one feels good. It feels like I'm able to do it a lot. On the outside, first of all, I love the packaging. I also love the volume. It feels like it is literally all the way full. Sometimes you'll have things that kind of stop right here and you're just wasting your money. So completely removes pet urine. I'll be the judge of that. Natural bioenzymatic formula makes stains disappear, permanently eliminates odor, safe for carpets, pets, and children. And this is my 32 fluid ounces bottle. You're also seeing directions on how to use it, what you should be using it for. It's 100% guaranteed, which I think is cool. There's also ingredients and a cautionary warning. So let's go ahead and undo this. The little thing right here to keep it even more protected. Oh, wow. Okay, so usually these stain removers like don't smell great. They smell like cleaning solution or bleach or something. But this has a very, kind of smells like tea tree oil almost. It's like a very different smell that I've had before. It's very refreshing actually, which makes me want to put it everywhere. Then we're going to take the little nozzle and we're going to screw it on the top. And I'm going to test that spray again using this paper towel. Oh my God, wow. Okay, so you know how sometimes when you get a spray nozzle, you have to like pump it a couple of times to get it to go? Look at this. It goes all the way over there. So the smell is incredible. The spray is incredible. So now I am going to test it on my rug. This is the location where the accident happened. So you can't really see a stain necessarily, but trust me, it's there and it smells really bad. So I'm just going to spray this around where it is. And it's coming out so well. Like, I'm actually really surprised. And it's starting to already smell better. So I'm going to basically let that sit and then maybe go over it with my wet vac to get rid of this smell.